अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जैसे कि आज जो हमारा मौजू है वो फिज़िक्स है, क्लास 9th है, यूनिट 3 डायनामिक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वाई इज मोमेंटम कंसीडर ज़ीरो व्हेन अ बॉडी कम्स टू रेस्ट? आंसर, मोमेंटम is a product of the mass and velocity of a body. When a body comes to rest at its velocity becomes zero. Depends on velocity. If velocity is zero, then momentum is also zero. Therefore, momentum is considered to be zero when a body is at rest. Question number 2, why do you pull your hands back while catching a fast moving ball? Answer, you pull your hands back while catching a fast moving ball to reduce the force of impact. By pulling your hands back, you increase the time it takes to stop the ball, which decrease the force according to the formula. This helps minimizing the impact and reduce the chance of injury. Question number 3, what is the reason that you experience a jerk whenever the school bus stops all of a sudden? Answer, when the school bus stops suddenly, you experience a jerk due to inertia, which is a property of matter that resists changes in its state of motion. Your body continues to move forward because it was in motion along with the bus. The sudden stop of the bus does not immediately stop your body's movement, causing you to feel a jerk. Question number 4, why is it dangerous to jump from a moving bus? Answer, jumping from a moving bus is dangerous because of inertia and the momentum of your body. When you jump off, your body is still moving at the speed of the bus. If you land on the ground, the sudden change in speed can cause you to lose balance and fall, potentially leading to serious. Question number 5, what is the role of force according to Newton's second law of motion? Answer, according to Newton's second law of motion, the role of force is to cause change in the motion of an object. It states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on its and inversely proportional to its mass. The formula for this law is its clear. Question number 6, what happens according to Newton's third law while you pull a catapult? Answer, according to Newton's third law of motion, when you pull a catapult, the catapult exerts an equal and opposite force on your hand. This means that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In this case, pulling the catapult action results in the catapult pulling back on your hand with an equal force reaction. Question number 7, what does mass not differ while weight differs from place to place? Answer, mass does not differ from place to place because it is the measure of the amount of matter in an object, which remains constant regardless of location. On the other hand, weight differs from place to place because it is the force exerted on an object due to gravity, which varies depending on the gravitational pull of the location. Question number 8, why do we feel pushed outward while a car turns on a curved road? Answer, we feel pushed outward while a car turns on a curved road due to inertia. Inertia is the property of an object to resist change in its state of motion. As the car turns, our body trains to continue moving in a straight line, which creates the sensation of being pushed outward. This is also known as the effect of centripetal force, which keeps the car moving in a circular path. Question number 9. Which force prevents a passenger from falling down a roller coaster while it turns the riders into an upside down position? Answer. The force that prevents a passenger from falling down a roller coaster while it turns the riders into an upside down position is centripetal force. Question number 10. Why is it easier to walk wearing flat slippers than high heel sandals? Answer. Walking in flat slippers is generally easier than walking in high heeled sandals due to several reasons. Firstly, flat slippers provide a stable base on support, allowing for better balance and weight distribution. Question number 11. Why is a leather sheet used in the brake drums of a motorbike? Answer. Leather sheets are used in brake drums for motorbike primarily for their functional properties. Leather provides a good grip when pressed against the brake drum, allowing for effective stopping power. Its durability also means it can withstand the heat generated during braking without degrading quickly. Additionally, leather has a natural ability to absorb some vibrations, leading to smoother braking performance. Question number 12. Newton's first law of motion is also known as the law of A, B, C, D. Four options available. This is correct answer is option number C. Inertia is correct answer. Question number 13. The quantity of matter contained in a body is called. Four options available. Number A, mass. Number 2, B, volume. Number C, area. And number D, weight. The correct answer is option number A is mass. Question number 14. The quantity of motion contained in a body is called. Four options available. A, force. B, inertia, and C, momentum, and D, gravity. The correct option is C, momentum. Question number 15. The law of conservation of momentum defines that the total momentum of a system of two bodies before and after collision. Number A option remains constant. Number B, retains more momentum. Number C, loses some momentum. Number D, none of the above is true. The correct answer is remains constant, option A. Question number 16. The weight of a body can be measured using spring balance, and it differs from place to place because of variation in the option A, acceleration. Option B is gravitational pull. Number C, velocity. Number D is size of spring balance. The correct answer is B option, gravitational pull. Question number 17. It is easier to push an empty shopping cart than a full one because the filled cart has more mass than the empty one. This can be expressed by the correct answer is A option, F greater than M. Question number 18. Centrifugal force is always directed Option A towards center, option B away from center, and option C along the circular path, option D all sides. The correct answer is option B away from center. Question number 19. Friction opposes motion between two bodies in contact because of option A charges on body, option B weight of bodies, option C roughness of surface, option D is none of above. The correct answer is option C, roughness of surface. Question number 20. Which statement is true for limited friction for frictional force? Option A, it is greater than ruling friction. Option B, it is greater than sliding friction. Option C, it is greater than kinetic friction. Option D is all are true. The correct answer is D option, all are true. Question number 21. Man pulls a crate of mass 25 kg across leveled ground with a horizontal force of 60 and a constant force of friction of 20 and acts on the sledge. What is the acceleration of the sledge? Four options available: A 0.63 meter per second, B 1.6 meter per second, number C 2.4 meter per second, number D 3.2 meter per second. Correct answer is option B 1.6 meter per second. Question number 22. Define momentum with its SI unit. Answer: momentum is the product of an object's mass and velocity. Its SI unit is kg and meter per second. Question number 23. Find the momentum of a body with mass 6 kg moving with a velocity of 25 meter per second. Answer: momentum is equal to mass into velocity is equal to 6 kg into 25 meter per second is equal to 150 kg meter per second. Question number 24. What will be the velocity of it? The momentum becomes 200 ns for a 6 kg mass. Answer: velocity is equal to momentum and divide to mass is equal to 200 ns divided to 6 kg is equal to 33.33 meter per second. Question number 25. Calculated the momentum of a body mass 10 kg moving at 10 meter per second before and after its velocity is reduced to 2 meter per second by a force acting for 5 seconds. Answer: initial momentum 10 is equal to 10 kg into 10 meter per second is equal to 100 kg meter per second. The final moment is 10 kg into 2 meter per second is equal to 20 kg meter per second. Question number 26. Why is wire fence designed in the helmet of a batsman? Answer: a wire fence is designed in the helmet to protect the batsman's face from injuries. 27. How does it prevent injuries? Answer: the wire fence absorbs and distributes the impact of the ball, preventing direct contact with the face and reduce the risk of injuries. Question number 28. State Newton's first law of motion and provide some common examples. Answer: Newton's first law stated that an object will remain at rest or move with a constant velocity unless acted upon by a net external force. Examples include a book lying on a table and a car moving at a constant speed. Question number 29. List some common observations caused by the property of inertia. The answer is: example include passengers jerking forward when a car suddenly stops and an object remaining on the floor on a moving bus when the bus suddenly stops. Question number 30. Define Newton's second law of motion. Answer. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass oblique force is equal to mass.